Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going into another product sent to me by MYCHANIC. And today it's going to be their detailing rig. You might have heard me talking about another Stool product sent to me by them in my previous video from MYCHANIC when I went over this tool cart or stool and the pod light system. This is going to be their detailing rig. And this is going to be more specified towards those people that are in the detailing business or just like to really take care of their vehicles. And this thing, just like their other shop stool, is built way above what it needed. And that's not a bad thing. I always want something that's going to last a really long time. And I believe MYCHANIC's carts or stools are definitely built to last a lifetime. These things are way beefier than your standard stools and stuff. So here's just some of the features on them and all of their products that they have sent me that I've used. I've really enjoyed, and I have them linked down in the description for you guys. So this does support up to 350 pounds. And besides going into the details on the box, I'm just going to show you the product and show you how great it is and how universal it is. Let me know your guys' thoughts, and please, if you haven't, hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you guys think of the product. And please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Alright, so here we have both the MYCHANIC fastback stool and the detailing rig, and then my old shop stool. And if you look at the casters on it, or if you go back and watch the previous video that I did on this stool compared to this stool, you will see the great improvements of the MYCHANIC over your standard shop stool. So the great thing about MYCHANIC is they use really heavy duty tubing, really nice 3-inch rubber coated plastic casters that roll really well no matter what flooring. I've used it outside in the driveway, on shop flooring. I mean, everything, it rolls really smoothly and works very well and supports a lot of weight. The plastic tray in the bottom of this one is way stronger than your standard plastic tray that you would find on one like this. But if you're interested in seeing more information on that, please go check out that video. Today we're going to be focusing on the detailing rig, and the great thing about this is it's not just for the people that are detailing cars, whether you do it for a living or if you do it just to take care of your own vehicles there at home. But this can also be used as a shop stool, and I'll show you exactly how universal it is. But right now I kind of have it set up as to how I would use it to clean my own personal cars. Nice thing is, it comes with 5 casters. You do have to assemble it. This took about 20 minutes. It comes with 5 casters. They put a third wheel in the front to help support weight when leaning over and stuff, and then you got the wash bucket on the back. The great thing about the wash bucket, it has these triangle slots on the side to hold different brushes and utensils that you might be using, and then it has a dirt trap tray in the bottom, so you're not dunking your washcloth or anything into the dirt and rubbing it back on your vehicles. So that's really nice. And as you may have noticed, MYCHANIC's thing is kind of the green and black and gray, which is a really nice color combo, I believe. But other than the wash bucket, it does just sit in a metal tray. And then on the front side, you have another metal tray where you can hold your chemicals and rags and stuff like that. And then it has 2 hangers on the side to hold all your spray bottles and stuff like that, which is really nice. I do believe this could be protected to prevent you from hitting a car, so maybe metal wasn't the best idea. But other than that, it's really nice. The other great feature about this is, since this is going to be used most of the time around washing cars, you don't really want a seat like this where it can absorb water into it and stuff like that. So this is a molded seat, and it is detachable from the cart, as you can see, and it just sits on there and kind of snaps in place. But the other great thing about this is, let's say you're washing the wheels or trying to get underneath the car, you can simply throw it on the ground and use it as a knee pad. It's very strong, durable, and comfortable. So a lot better than kneeling down on the ground. and then you can just throw it back on here, push down, and it locks back into place. And it's not going to absorb water or anything like that. So that's really nice. But I have it set up for detailing right now. I'm going to go ahead and show you how universal it is and how you could possibly adapt it to the normal automotive field. Okay, YouTubers, so not only is it a detailing rig for washing vehicles specifically, but it is universal, you know, like most things. But if I were to use this in the automotive field, this is similar to what I would have it set up like. Just like before, you do have a cup holder on the side for your beverage or any can, you know, they all fit in here, but my most commonly used chemical is probably WD-40 or a parts cleaner. So you could either decide to use the wash bucket as kind of a chemical holding station, or you can remove the bucket and just have another tray down there to keep tools and stuff. But I would probably keep chemicals in here because it has that spill tray and everything, so everything would kind of go down in the bottom and it wouldn't be sitting in chemicals. Keep a funnel in there. I would have like a code reader and a DVOM. Plenty of room for shop rags and different spray bottles if you still needed them. And then it would hold plenty of tools as well if you're doing like specific jobs like brake jobs or oil changes or tranny fluid or, you know, anything like that. You could grab the specific tools you need, load up the tray, and you're good to go. But like I said before, supports 350 pounds, has a knee pad that's removable, a lot of storage space, very, very nice casters, and is built extremely well. I mean, this thing is sturdy. So please, let me know your guys' thoughts, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are interested in any of these products, they are linked down in the description for you guys. And once again, if you haven't, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of what you guys think, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you guys.